So today I'm responding to Kay's comments. I've got the Lulu the Piggies and I've added a mime. So she wanted the Twinkle Milk as well, but I am going to do that for another comment. So let's go through them. I am so excited. I will start with this Lulu the Piggy, the Lucky Cat. I am obsessed with Lucky Cats and I really wanted to get one of these boxes. And you might remember from my previous videos, I've got this from the Rigel toy shop. They are amazing. If you haven't already, after my first video, you have to go and check them out. So thanks very much, Rigel toy shop, for sending this to me, and I cannot wait to see what I'm going to get. So I would want this one, blue one, the black one, and I think this one too. Like pretty much everything looks so cute. I think except this green. I don't know why it is too dark. I will be happy with anything. Obviously the secrets, they look amazing. I would die if I get this one. So let's see. All right. Oh, good pop. All right. Okay. Well, I called it, but actually in person, it is cute. Oh, look at this cat face and the arms. Yay! Oh my god, it's cute. And actually it looks much better than the color on the box. So I am happy. Oh, it's got a pillow. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, okay. All right. I like these colors. All right, I'm happy with that. I'm sorry I judged you at first. Love you. Let's go with the other Lulu. Again, Rigel Toy Shop. Thank you so much for sending this to me as well. And I actually want anything. Anything. I'm happy. And also Kitty Pops, she actually unboxed this secret right next to me and I was obsessed. It was so cute. So if we get secret, that would be amazing. All right, let's see. All right. Oh, they are so tiny, so cute. And look at these bags. Oh, that's amazing. I'm obsessed. I will be back to a Rigel Toy Shop page and I will order more. All right. Oh my god, that is the most adorable yellow color. Oh, actually, you can use it as phone charm. I mean, obviously, it will be a bit big, but it is the best size for a bag charm. I love it. Oh my god, I am obsessed. It's an amazing color. I am so happy. I need to get more of each. So the last one, it's this mime. I don't know what it is. I already have the kite guy, but obviously I know I will get a dupe because now I've got the full set. And the other day I pulled this guy. I'm not sure if I will get the secret. I probably not, but let's see. All right. Well, that was hard. Okay, who are you? Okay, that's this guy. Oh, obsessed with him. He's so cute, adorable. He's my little devil. And what does it say? Oh, it says broken on the bag. Oh, that's so cute. He's trying to pump up his heart. His broken heart. Oh, that's so sad. I love him. Okay, he's one of my favorites now. So that's perfect. Once again, thank you so much, Rigel Toy Shop. I am so happy with this and I need more, so I will be back. So thanks for watching me. Bye.